Hi guys, this is Allan, and in this video we're going to talk about how to set up your web forms for your website using One Inbox app. If you haven't been around for other videos, you've probably seen me use web forms on my website, and I'm going to show you how you can integrate web forms onto your website in this video and show you step by step how to do it. Here I am on the website oneinboxapp.com, and you'll see there's different features that are offered inside the software that you get. And one of the features is putting web forms on your website. What we're going to do is show you what that looks like. A web form is just where you collect information using a couple different web fields, collecting their name, their email, and their phone number are some of the things that you can add to your web form. And I'm going to show you how to set this up for your website right now. You're going to log into your members area at oneinboxapp.com and sign in to your members area, and going to go to click on sites over here in the menu bar, the side menu bar. You're going to click on sites, then you're going to click on forms builder, and I already have a form set up here. This is the same form that we saw on the website. So you see the name, the email, and the phone number are all listed here. And to add an item to your, let's say I wanted to add city, I add city to my form. I just drag it from the menu to the right and put it here, and then it's added to the form. And then the button can be edited in this field over here to the right. And if you want to change the text in the web field, you just come up here where it says text, and you can type in, come in here where it says text, and you just type in new. You just type in your new information in that text box right there, and if you want some subtext, you can put additional information in there as well. If you want to change the color of the button, say I want to make it blue, we just click on blue there, and it changes the color of the button as you see on the screen. And then there's other options there as well. To get rid of field, all you do is click the X button to get rid of it. To make items mandatory, you click on the required highlight button right here. If you want to make them hidden, you can do that as well. You can change all the forms. We're not designing the form in there. All we're doing is putting the elements of the form in here. And you can now embed this form in different web pages or different funnel pages, which I'll show you in just a second. Once you like everything in your form, you can click on the Save Form button here, and that will save the form. There's other options. Let's see. On Submit, if you want to have it go to a certain page after submitting this form, you can tell it what URL, or you can tell it to leave a message. Those are all your options. And then if you want to integrate the form, you have several different options here. You have sticky sidebar, you have polite slide in. The form will slide in to your web page. It will pop up if they click on a button, or it will just be on the page directly. Any of these options. If you're using a third-party web page builder, you would get your form from here and then copy the embed code. I want to embed the form, and that would look like this is the embed code, and the trigger would be right here, and you would place that into your web page, and that will trigger this form to pop up in your web page. But I'm going to show you how to use the funnel option. If you go to funnels now, click on membership sign up, because that's a number of different pages or funnel pages. But you got the home page, you got the after they opt in page, then you have the one-time offer, the one-time offer 2. So if you go to my webpage at gallanroberts.com/go, you will see this funnel page will appear, right? And when you click on the button here, this asks for the web form, right? The web form that we just showed you in the other how to create pops up, okay? And it pops up with this button right here. To show you what that looks like in the funnel page, I go to edit this funnel page right here, edit page. It brings up the WYSIWYG editor, which is what you get. And you notice that it has all these boxes that you can add elements into these boxes, right? In this case, I added a button in this box here. You go up to elements. Actually, you just click on it. You click on the little plus button, and then you tell it to add a button, right? And then once you add the button, then you can tell it to link to the pop-up form, like this one is. Button action, open pop-up form. Okay, that's what this one is doing. I'm going to delete this button. And if you want to change the text on the button, you just change the text here. If you want to change the look of the button has themes that you can choose from, different looks. Also has advanced, where you can customize certain things about the button, or you can change the button colors right here under background. You choose different colors. You can choose you notice that I have an action here, rocking and rolling. It's called is the action that's going on. This action is right here under button effects. You have a few different actions it can do. It can glow, it can bounce, elevator. When you go over top of it with the mouse, it does the elevator move. And then a wobble is side to side skewing. But I like the rock and roll. This just gives you attention and suggests to the visitor that you want to click this button. I like to put actions on the button. And then to add the form, you click on the pop-up. This is just like adding any other element. You click on the plus button and you tell it to go add a form. Right here, add form. And then you select which form you want to add. Right there. I already added the form to this. Click on that. And right here you can change which form it goes to. According to the form that it goes to is the type of information it's going to collect, which then goes into your automation, and you have set up in your automations will determine the information that entered into this form, what it does, and what triggers it triggers. But in the funnel, you can also tell it to redirect to a URL or the next page in the funnel. That's the nice thing about building inside the funnel builder inside of one inbox app is that you can set up a number of steps that it goes through, where if you're doing it with just the redirect URL, you would have to set up another page in the redirect URL sequence in order for that page to show up. Where here you could just add a new page by clicking add new step and then naming that page and then creating a new page here in the funnel itself, and it stems off this one URL right here, which is set up inside of your settings under URLs, or you can set up here as well. You can add a domain name right here and add new domain, and then add your domain name here, and then it gives you your information on how to set up your A record inside of your domain. hosting account that it can redirect it to this DNS number right here. All right, so that's how that is set up, and that's how you create a web form like this one and like this one. Okay, I hope that explains everything that you need to know. Now, if you're curious about One Inbox app and what it can do, it's a one inbox which can consolidate all your messaging for your business in one area. Text messaging, emails, phone numbers, social media DMs, they can all be centralized into one inbox. And when they leave you message or information, this is the inbox. Each person has their own messaging center here in one inbox so that you can record all the conversations with them, no matter if it's a voice conversation, text message conversation, or a social DM, is all stored in one location. You can see where you left off in the conversation and pick up where you left off. And you can see that all that information is right there. I said, having text messaging integrated into your website, you can have it set up with their chatbot as well. They collect their phone number and their email and automatically send them a response to their text message phone, to their phone, and to their email account. You can also set up a calendar, which I'll talk about in a different video. If you want to set up appointments using the calendar section, they'll select a date, a time, and then again it'll ask for their name and phone number and email. And that's how you schedule a calendar event, to schedule a demo call. It's just also you can set up websites and things like that. Now there's three different options. There's a DIY option where you can do everything yourself and set all this up for yourself, and it's just $97 a month. And it comes with 24/7 support, but you do all the action steps to set up the account and to set up the forms and the automations and things like that, and everything's available in that back office for you. But if you want us to set it up for you, let's say you're a medium-sized company and you have a different types of automations, you have a number of employees that you need to integrate into your One Inbox app, then there's just a one-time fee and then a monthly fee after that. And if you want to use our advertising platform, which I talk about on the website here, about the 3-click advertising platform, there's a whole video right here that shows you step by step what the advertising platform does and how to integrate it with your One Inbox app. You can do that as well. Those are the options. And also, if you want to be an affiliate partner of mine, click on the affiliate program and sign up for that as well. Comes with a free mini course where you can get started and start earning your first commissions without purchasing anything or having to spend any money. It's free, and we start you to build a 6-figure income selling a Saas product like oneinboxapp.com. All right, that does it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe and like this video. And thank you again for watching to the very end. If you like this video, you're going to love this video right here. And thank you to watching to the very end of this video. We'll see you in the next one.